We just received $550 in our PayPal account, and look, in less than an hour, I've already received another $550 in my PayPal account. I wait a little more, and wow, another $550! My day isn't even through yet, and I've already met my target. Life is lovely like this. And if you want to learn how I'm doing it, look no further because in today's video, we're going to show you how you can make $550 every hour simply by reading. That's right, all you have to do is to read and you'll be receiving all of these payouts and even more. Now, not many people are aware of today's technique, but because you guys mean the world to us, it's time we let you in with our little secret because we want all of us to prosper together. This way is completely free, so you won't have to pay anything, and it's available in all countries. All you'll need for today's strategy is a smartphone or a computer, as well as a stable internet connection, and you'll be as prepared as you can be. Our method is already super simple, but to make it even simpler for you guys, we're going to walk you through today's entire method and even drop some tips and tricks for you guys to try out with our technique to hopefully double or even triple your income. So make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end so you don't get confused about today's method. And make sure you don't skip ahead so you don't miss anything. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First website that we're going to be talking about is called HireSign.com, and this is their website. We've talked about this website before, but there has actually been some pretty great upgrades, so this website is a must for our method for today. Now, let's quickly go through this website. Basically, this website is a website that holds a lot of online job opportunities. A few benefits of this website is that there is a better flexibility with the work discipline. You are free to establish your own work hours, lighting temperature, and most importantly, work in the framework that best fits you. There is more time. One of the most significant benefits of working from home is that you have complete control over when you work and when you have personal time. If your mornings are too full, you may work at night, and you have a sense of independence. Dirty office politics cause stress and diversions, but working from home allows you to be more independent. Nobody is there to keep you on your toes or tell you what to do, which means when you work from home, there's no supervision. So basically, this website emphasizes how great online jobs are, and working from home is in general, you can do typing jobs, paid survey jobs, and even proofreading jobs. Now, what we're going to be doing has something to do with Google Docs and a file like this in particular. Anyway, going back to HireSign, if you click on all current openings, you're going to see all of this. Typing jobs earn $4, just $6 per page proofreading jobs, earn $5 to $10 per page paid survey jobs, and $5 to $50 per survey. Graphic designing jobs earn $15 to $40 per assignment. PowerPoint presentation jobs are $3 per PowerPoint slide. Spreadsheet entry jobs earn 2 cents to 4 cents per cell. Voice recognition jobs earn $15 to $40 per assignment online. Advertisement jobs earn 5 cents per ad posted. And language translation jobs earn $10 to $30 per page. Now, there is a lot to choose from, but we're obviously going to be focusing on the proofreading jobs. So let's go ahead and click on that. So basically, this is a sample file that you will be receiving to proofread, and since this is a 2-page paper, that means you're going to get paid $20 for this project alone. Isn't that awesome? Now, go back to HireSign. And as you can see, the benefits of proofreading jobs is that there is competitive pay. The hours are flexible and you have great colleagues. Now it's time to apply. So click on this button right here. Then you're going to be taken to here, and then you need to read through this whole process because it is kind of lengthy. And click on step 2 right here. Then you'll be taken to here and then scroll down a little bit till you see the Apply Now button. Then you're going to be taken to the last page. And finally, with the application form on it, and what you're going to do is to fill up this entire form completely and correctly, and then submit it. And then just wait for a confirmation email that you've been accepted. And as soon that you are accepted, you're going to start receiving files like this. One that you're going to have to proofread, and I know you're questioning, how are you going to proofread anything if you don't even know how to proofread at all? Well, just sit back and relax, and we're gonna get right into that. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Now let's continue. Now if they send you an MS file, which they mostly probably will, you're going to want to copy the entire thing, and then you're going to open up Google Docs and paste it on here. And this is how that file setup should end up looking like. Now, Google Docs is actually going to be doing all of the work for us, which means that you would be doing absolutely nothing except for, of course, manipulating the mouse clicks. But other than that, all of the proofreading action will be done by Google Docs itself. We're sure you see all of the underlined or highlighted words in red or in blue. All these words that are underlined or highlighted in red or blue are all the words that are mistakes. They need to be corrected. Okay, so now I'm supposed to figure out what to change this to. Well, no. And that's the best part of Google Docs. It doesn't only identify the mistakes, it also corrects the mistakes for you. So really, no work from you at all. Just click on all of the highlighted words one by one, and then the correction will pop up, and all you have to do is click on that, and Google Docs will automatically correct the mistake with the right word. They do this for punctuation marks, sentences, lines, and even just single words. Make sure to scan the whole Google Docs for underlined words, just so that you can do this correctly and completely. And once that's all done, you can just click on File and download it in whatever file type, and then it'll download straight into your computer. And you can pass it and earn $20 just like that. As soon as you finish one, you're gonna be sent more and more, and all you have to do is to repeat the whole process. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone, and see you in our next video.